see what is going on in this world. Kaya muna tura muna enjoy a lot of things ko muna cikin Kumashi ko Accra. Kai ka samu nan kabidan ba ka san niman da Allah baka ba. Allah kuma ya ce wai ba wai summa la tusalunna yawma izin anin na'im. Wai dun niman da ya maka tambaye shi. Wadansu mutane na nan, they don't have no. Listen, let me tell you something about this. It is not their fault. They don't have any choice, any way they can transport themselves to Yeji for business transaction. You know what I mean? If you don't have no choice, you would rather do a risky life. That is why you see our brothers, those who goes to the Europe, they pass through the ocean. Those who goes to Brazil and all that. Because if you don't have no choice, there's nothing you can do. Amma the problem a little bit is in Kaduba last year, na zo na yi wani documentary in English and Twi form, which I heard the government to regulate this area. The problem is, if you could look at all of us in this boat, none of us, or maybe few of us, or 2 or 3 people only have a life jacket. Just in case, nobody knows what is going to happen with the people back and forth. Each and every day, this boat comes in, comes in from Yeji, Kretchi, all the way to, there's a lot of going on in Ghana, the whole Ghana. These people crossing this ocean each and every day with either the boat or either the whatever. But the problem is, none of us is having a life jacket. The one who is even having the life jacket, that life jacket itself, it doesn't look like a life jacket anyway. But I guess it's not bogus. Okay, it's not bogus. It's our original life jacket. It's going to Libya. Okay, good. Let me show it to you. You see that? This does not cost. I'm showing them. Yeah, no. This does not cost a lot of money. It doesn't cost more than 1 million Ghana cedi. I think it is better if we have it here anytime they're moving in and out. You know, this can save a lot of life. This can save a lot of humanity. You see, this is the only person who has a life jacket. Even I myself, I don't have a life jacket because I don't normally take this. What I normally use is Sadiq, ku zama ya maka tambaya. Sai sa yana da kyau. Yana da kyau. Wa'annan shugabanninmu da suke sauraron mu, da su yi da manya magana. Kai ma za ka iya kai sadaka. Wallahi, in ka zo nan ga kana da turai ne kake irin life jacketin nan. Sai ka zo ka kawo a basu. In da shiga boat a sa. Wallahi ba ladan wasa za ka samu ba. Ba ladan wasa. Ba sallah kada da ka yi ka samu lada ba. Akwai abu da yawa, so many ways. Because government nan bai damu da kakanninmu yan salaga. In ka take Kratchi, the same thing. Ka take gari da yawa na ke cross ruwan nan. This is what is going on. Yau ka duba, ga ruwa mai kyau nan. Ga ruwa mai kyau nan kana kallo. Ni abin da ban dariya ne. Ba ka dan da ka yi bature shiga cikin wan wallahi ba da kowa ma wanga bai. Bature ya wanga ya ce maka a wanga bai hawa.